Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. So we got a little bit of grilling planned. Good chicken I'm putting on the grill. Probably make some rice. Trying to enjoy the last few days of nice weather before fall really kicks in and it starts getting cold. Alright, just got the lid on this chicken now. We half baked.
It smells like delicious.
Yeah, it does smell good. We half baked it. So I just finished it off in the grill. Oh yeah, you got your nails painted at the salon. Check them out.
Next week, guess what, guys? I'm getting acrylics, and it's gonna be like 10 times cuter. I'm probably gonna do the same pattern, but it's like not as wonky, and like little stripes on some and French tips on some. So.
Very cool. I'm gonna flip this chicken.
Yummy.
Just some chicken hindquarters on the grill.
Also some chicken steak and chicken pumpkin, some chicken carrots and chicken bacon sandwiches.
Can I go get the basil from the front?
What?
Should I go get the basil from the front?
Ooh, yeah, let's get some basil on the chicken. Good idea. Let's do that. Let's get some basil, guys. Grab from the bottom a little bit.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it should. It should smell pretty good. How much you got, buddy? Let's see. 3, go get 3 more. Good job, honey. Yeah, you can just go ahead and put it on there for now, and I'll put it on some afterwards. Just gonna lay it on there. Hold on, let me flip it, and then we'll put it on top, and then I'll put the lid on for a minute. That's what we'll do.
I put it around it so that it also tastes.
Yeah, we just put it on there for a little bit. We're gonna put the lid on.
Because like
I don't know if it's gonna do anything.
The smoke is staying in there, you know, and all the stuff is staying in there, and then the basil is one of the smells in there. So just
Yeah, but maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We're smoking it, so the lid on there. We'll see what happens. I'm guessing it'll be good. We'll see. We'll put some more on later too. But yeah, we'll tune in when the chicken's done on the plate.
synced in there. Looks so good.
You think so?
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, I'm totally hungry after eating this whole thing. But
Yeah, you were snacking on some Nutella earlier, but I think that looks pretty good, guys. We're gonna munch on this. You like it?
so good.
Yeah. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Little chicken and rice. Not bad at all. You know, the grill is still going, actually. Hold on, look at this. They got a lot of charcoals on here.
Oh, it looks like
Figure we'd do
lava.
maybe some marshmallows on it or something.
Yeah, it looks like lava.
It does look like lava.
Our marshmallows are gonna taste like basil.
They might have a little basil taste to them. 7:53. We're cutting it close today, huh, Green?
Yeah.
Okay, it's 7:54 now. We were late. She doesn't have to be there till 8, but she had a field trip yesterday, field trip today. Where are you guys going today?
Like a
Or where'd you guys go
farm.
yesterday?
Oh, we went to like a soccer game
Excuse me.
at Warner Park, and it was so fun. And
What game?
A soccer game.
A soccer game, and now you're gonna go.
It was in a baseball field.
And now you're going to like a farm thing today? 2 field trips in 2 days, huh?
It might be fun, but yes, I have 2 field trips in 2 days. And the next field trip we're doing is we're going to the Capitol.
Oh, cool. Another walk with Jasper. We're gonna go into the store. Messy hair Jasper.
Yeah, the first week of the house.
Yeah, Greenlee should be home from school in 2 hours. I'm excited to hear about her field trip. Isn't that crazy? They did 2 field trips in 2 days. I don't ever think I don't even know why you would do that, but good for her.
Yeah,
Cool week.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud, 2 field trips in 2 days. Isn't that nuts?
stay tuned for that.
Anyway, we're into the store. We'll probably pick back up when Greenlee's at home.
Stay.
How was the field trip, Green?
It was kind of boring.
Kind of boring?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because like it like all they did was talk. They didn't. We really didn't even do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
well.
we did make a lot of smoothies, and I had some smoothie, and also we had little stations that we went to.
Huh?
And we had little stations that we went to.
Oh, cool. Oh,
And
here goes Jasper.
we got like a sausage. They were all meat because we were at like a farmer place, and we got piglets and stuff, and I got a sausage and some ham and all sorts of good stuff. So yeah, it was kind of fun, but kind of not. So
And now we're at the park.
yeah, we're at the park.
We don't know if there's a playground at this park yet, but it's so far so cool.
Yeah.
What do you think, buddy? Oh, thank you, bud. We got a big gazebo over here. I'm not seeing a playground. Not seeing a playground anywhere.
Yeah, that's what
Let's go down the. Let's go down the path, and then we'll see.
Where's the park, Dad?
Okay, turn around and go back
I'm
in this.
wondering.
Up this huge hill. So there's no park there. There's a park, but there's no playground.
Yeah, they scammed us.
So we are going back to the car, and then gonna go to a different park. Okay, this one looks way better, huh? And it has a splash pad down there too, which I did not know was gonna be open. Way better. Lake background. I'll show you guys. This is cool. Looks like a giant splash pad down there. We didn't bring any towels or bathing suits. Let's see how this goes. Down here, I was down here earlier. I saw a bunch of frogs swimming by the river or the lake here. I wanted to see if I can show the kids. Right around here by this picnic bench. By the picnic bench, I saw a bunch of frogs. Oh, there he is. Right there. You see him?
Oh, I see him.
Yeah?
Yeah, me too. Right there.
No?
Look, buddy.
Right here. It's gonna be cold.
Back to the park. All right, guys. We're gonna say our goodbyes here in a little bit. Wrap up this vlog. Little cool butterfly chair.
This is green. Dad, look at this. This is long. Let's just meet Dad.
Very pretty view. Check out that sunset. You see the rays coming out from behind that house? Sheesh. We're gonna go around this lake here and then head back to the car. Call it a night, guys. You having fun, buddy?